If you're looking for a brand new resort-style community in Winter Garden, Florida, there's one neighborhood that has been getting a lot of attention lately, and that is Esplanade at McKinnon Groves by Taylor Morrison.
Yes, this community is bringing that elevated vacation-style living experience to Winter Garden with gated entrances, upscale amenities, and some really beautiful floor plans at reasonable prices by also a pretty reliable builder.
But while there's definitely a lot to like here, there are also a few things people should know before buying in this community.
Yes, so today we're going to break down the location, amenities, floor plans, pricing, lifestyle, and some of the potential cons of living in Esplanade at McKinnon Groves.
I'm Savannah.
And I'm Kathy.
And together we are Team Williams, mother-daughter realtor duo, and your Orlando relocation experts.
Esplanade at McKinnon Groves is a brand new gated community located in the western Winter Garden area near Heartwood Marsh Road and Marsh Road. The community is being built by Taylor Morrison, and it's a part of their Esplanade brand, which focuses heavily on an outdoor lifestyle and resort-style amenities. The community will be built in 3 phases, encompassing around 600 homes.
Yes, this community will eventually include villas and single-family homes on 50 or 60-foot lots with a pretty wide range of floor plans and price points. Right now, homes are roughly ranging from the high 300s for a villa, and for a single-family home, prices range from the 500s into the 900s and even beyond, depending on the lot and upgrades. There is something that stands out about this neighborhood in regards to the design of the homes, which we'll get into later.
Now let's talk about the location, because this is one of the biggest advantages of the community. Esplanade at McKinnon Groves is located in Winter Garden, which has become one of the fastest growing and most desirable parts of Greater Orlando due to its proximity to the Orlando area and the theme parks. At McKinnon Groves, you're close to Hamlin, the Hamlin Town Center, and that area has restaurants, shopping, Publix, fitness studios, coffee shops, movie theaters, and a lot more. And you're also only about a 15-minute drive to Winter Garden Village, and we love that. It's a shopping mall with tons of stores and restaurants. And if you're a Disney person, depending on traffic, usually you could be at Disney in 20 to 30 minutes.
Yeah, and you're also fairly close to downtown Winter Garden, which is one of our favorite downtown areas in Greater Orlando. Yeah. It has that charming small town feel with local restaurants, farmers markets, and events. By the way, if you're considering making the move to the Orlando area, we have a Greater Orlando relocation guide you can download by clicking the link in the description box. This guide is full of info on Orlando, including the suburbs to consider, so be sure to download it. Now let's talk about the amenities at McKinnon.
Taylor Morrison is really leaning into the resort style concept with this one. They have planned amenities that include a clubhouse, resort style pool, fitness center, even a spa where you can get massages.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And tennis and pickleball courts, my fave, and a dog park for your furry friend. And the pool area and pickleball courts will open first, yay. And all the other amenities are projected to be done around the end of 2027, so the end of next year.
Yeah, and based on what we've seen from other Esplanade communities, the amenity centers are usually well done aesthetically. They feel upscale and are designed to bring the community together with fun events, activities, and classes such as yoga.
Oh yeah, yoga's great. If you're someone who wants to feel like you're living in a peaceful resort every single day, this community is really targeting that lifestyle.
Yeah, we are already seeing this community appeal to people relocating from out of state who are specifically looking for that Florida lifestyle experience. By the way, no one is allowed to rent out their homes as a short-term rental or Airbnb in this community, so you wouldn't be dealing with any random vacationers coming and going all the time and all the noise that brings.
It's definitely something to consider.
Now let's talk about the homes themselves.
Well, one thing that we like is that there's a decent mix of options. There are attached villas and single-family homes that range greatly in size. The villas start at around 1,500 square feet, while the single-family homes start at around 1,800, all the way up to 4,500 square feet in the Ravenna floor plan. There are different exterior styles you can choose from as well, such as farmhouse and modern Mediterranean.
Yeah, a lot of the floor plans have that open concept design people are looking for right now. Large kitchen islands, indoor-outdoor living spaces, oversized primary suites, and extended lanais with the option of a private pool and or outdoor kitchen. And something special about the layout of the homes is that the garage is not behind the home like you see in a lot of new construction communities in Winter Garden.
Yes, the garage entrance is facing the same way that your front door faces, which provides more of a traditional open backyard space for room for a pool. And speaking of backyard space, another special feature of the floor plans here is that they have both a front little courtyard or patio area in the front and then a lanai in the back of the home as well.
Yeah, so people really can enjoy outdoor living in their front or their backyards. And we will say Taylor Morrison tends to do a really good job with natural light and flow in their homes. A lot of the layouts feel functional without wasting too much space. And I noticed when I was over there, for example, when I was in the Lazio 2 model, that the primary bathroom led to a huge walk-in closet that led into the laundry room, which I thought was a really smart floor plan choice. So the laundry room can be accessed from the primary bedroom suite and from the other side of the house.
Oh man, I love that feature. So nice. Of course, with new construction, you do want to pay close attention to what's included versus what's considered an upgrade, because model homes can be very upgraded compared to the homes at the base pricing. Now, if you want a custom home, but you want to cut down on the amount of design choices, the builder is offering design packages that have pre-selected flooring, counter, and backsplash.
Yes, and another thing to know is that the build time for to-be-built homes in McKinnon are 7 to 8 months. So if you want to be moved in by the beginning of 2027, now is the time to tour the neighborhood and decide on a home. But remember, the sales rep at the sales center doesn't represent you. They represent the builder. So if you'd like to have your own representation and advocacy, make sure to bring your buyer agent to your first appointment with the builder, because the builder will pay the buyer agent you bring. We would be honored if you chose us to represent you, by the way. If you want to chat more about purchasing a new construction home with us, our contact info can be found below and in the description box.
Yes, we would love to help you. And you might also be wondering what kind of incentives this builder is offering. Right now, the builder is offering a $15,000 design center credit, which is great. $15,000 towards closing costs, really good, and up to 1% lower interest rate than the normal going rate if you use their lender to finance the purchase. That's amazing.
So now we're going to talk about the potential downsides in just a moment. But first, who do we think this community is actually best for?
Well, is this a 55 plus community?
It's actually not, although it seems like it at first.
Honestly, I think this community is ideal for someone who really values amenities and lifestyle and who really wants to live in a gated community in Winter Garden. And, you know, maybe somebody, the amenities that a 55 plus appeals to them, but this is a way to have those amenities without living in a 55 plus.
Yeah, and a lot of the new construction communities in Winter Garden are not gated. So that is a special feature for those who value that kind of thing.
And because there are multiple floor plan sizes, it could work for a lot of different stages of life too, whether someone wants a lower maintenance villa or a larger home for family and guests.
Yeah, and to clarify, this is not a 55 plus community. So this community also works for people who are in their 50s and 60s or beyond who want the typical amenities of a 55 plus without the age limitation.
But now let's talk about some of the potential downsides, because no community is perfect, as we know.
Yeah, the first thing is the HOA fees. Because this is such an amenity heavy community, the HOA fees are going to reflect that. They're going to be higher than average. Current estimates are around $400 plus per month, depending on the home types, because remember there's villas or single family homes. And there is a $1,000 food and beverage requirement per household per year at the Clubhouse Center.
And you know, that's something people really need to factor into their monthly budget, because once you combine HOA fees, CDD fees, taxes, and insurance, your monthly payment can end up significantly higher than just the mortgage. However, this HOA does cover a lot, along with everything mentioned before, the HOA also covers lawn service and irrigation. So that's really
nice.
good. Another potential con is that the area is still developing and, there's already a lot developed nearby, but you're also going to be dealing with ongoing construction in and around the area for quite a while.
Yeah, and depending on where your lot is located, construction noise and future development could impact your day-to-day experience for the next few years. But that's, the trade-off with buying a brand new home in a brand new community.
So true, but a lot of people don't think about that. They just see the model home and all that. And then finally, if you're someone looking for mature trees, established landscaping, or a more historic neighborhood feel, this is not going to give you that. It's all new, at least not anytime in the near future. This is definitely more of a polished, newer, master plan community environment with amazing amenities. Overall, we do think Esplanade at McKinnon Groves is a hot community that will sell pretty quickly over the next couple of years.
This might be the right community for you, but like always, it really comes down to your priorities, your budget, and the type of lifestyle that you want. So if you're thinking about moving to the Orlando area and figuring out which communities actually fit your lifestyle and goals, we'd love to help.
You can call us, text us, or email us to schedule a strategy call. Our contact info can be found below and in the description box.
And remember to download that Greater Orlando Relocation Guide that can be found in the description box as well.
And we'll see you in the next one.